All right, so I've got my key cut here. Now it's time to program it to this 2012 Chrysler 200. I'm going to put it in, turn it to the on position. I see my theft light there going. So I'm going to go to my IM608 here. I'm going to go manual selection. We're going to find Chrysler 200 in the list for North America. This is a 2013 bladed key. It's the only option. Okay. I do not have an already learned key, so I still hit OK. All right, now there's two ways you can do this. You can do an immobilizer scan and have it do a couple of different things for you, or you can go into the control unit yourself, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to read my PIN code first, because you do need the PIN code to program the key, the transponder. PIN code is 3840. Don't really need to remember it because the IM will remember it for you. So now that we're done with reading the immobilizer, we will go into the actual immobilizer system and do key learning. You have to hit it twice. I said we have 3 keys. I do want to learn the new key, so I hit yes. And there it is. It remembered our PIN code for us. So I'm going to hit OK. Wants me to verify. I hit OK again. Now you should hear the dash beep, which we just heard. The light, sometimes it will cut off. Sometimes it doesn't. Just wait until you hear the beep, and then, read what this tells you to do, which is to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. So now we turn it back on, and that light should cut off. Okay, so we see it was solid, and it cut off. We come back here. This did a little time wait, and we'll see that it learned. It's now 4 keys in the system. So we know that it added it because it had 3 before. Now it has 4. I do not want to add any additional keys, so I can just leave. And you can exit all the way out, or you can hit this little button here to take us back to the home screen. And we pull it out. Let's check the remote. So that's good. We're gonna start it up. It will run. It will not cut off now. So our job is done.